afternoon. We are at the second day of India Ice Cream Expo, and currently we are at the Goma stall. We are having with us Srinivas Chandur, Vice President of Goma. Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are
Sir,
you?
how are you getting traction on the second day of the Indian Ice Cream Expo right now?
The second day is really turned out very good. The first day was a bit slow, but on the second day we find the key industry people visiting us and discussing for the projects.
Yeah.
So it's a very potential compared to the first day, and we expect much more visitors tomorrow also.
So, sir, currently Goma is pitching high for is fully automated
Yes, yes.
SCADA-based CIP system. Sir, can you tell more about this one?
We have with Goma, we have started in company in 1982. Past 42 years, we are in the industry of dairy, food, and ice cream industry. Lately, the shift has been on more on the SCADA based plants, and we at Goma have a full fledged automation control system, control manufacturing units. We do manufacture the automatic CIP systems, the automatic plants, the PLC based plants. We develop also the PLC units, automated PLC units within the factory. So and with the capable team what we have ventured into SCADA-based plants. And now the shift has been over India and abroad. The mega plants, the small plants to bigger plants are going into automated PLC and also SCADA-based plants.
Okay.
So it's not only the CAP one what we are doing. We are also doing in beverages, juices, milk, and also ice cream. The SCADA-based plants nowadays.
Sir, you are also pitching high for the high pressure homogenizer right now.
Homogenizer.
So it's helping the dairy processing industry as well as the juice and other beverages. So, sir, what are the specifications of that product you have?
Uh, in Goma, we ventured into the dairy and food industry by manufacturing high pressure homogenizers. We came into high pressure homogenizers when they were all as an import substitute. That time we had only the imported homogenizers, but with the help of the dairy fraternity, we launched our homogenizers way back in 1989, and that is how we ventured into the food industry. We have been very successful in terms of manufacturing as a made in India unit for high pressure homogenizers for various applications. Today, I would say we would be one of the leading manufacturing suppliers in in the Indian market as a indigenous suppliers,
Okay.
and we have more than 5,000 units of homogeneous working across the industry. Not only in the dairy, but we are also into pharma, in oncology, also in propofol, medical applications, vast across the fraternity part of it.
Sir, so sir, currently you are also showcasing automated PLC SCADA based ice cream processing
Yes.
equipment. So can you just tell what specification does this equipment has?
Now, this plant where we have the larger production volumes of ice cream. So to get the centralized data, centralized what to say automation and working, we have this SCADA based plants. So where in a central place a person can sit and operate the whole plant of the ice cream. So where the volumes are very high, we talk of 100,000 liters of ice cream per day or 200,000 liters of ice cream per day. It is always better to go into fully automated SCADA based plants, and that's what we are delivering now.
Post 2014, there are a lot of changes in the food processing industry right now, and the food processing industry is growing at a high CAGR right now. So, government is also pushing hard for it with a lot of initiatives such as PLI scheme for food processing scheme, and especially the Atmanirbhar Bharat. So, how are you looking at the government initiatives, and how is it helping your customers right now, sir?
It has really helped us a lot in terms of made in India concept. As I told you in the beginning, we started with homogeneous as an import substitute. Subsequently, post 2014, we have developed other equipments like I would say the continuous freezer, the cup filling machine, and also lately, 7 8 years back, we developed the UST system as a made in India concept. So for having developed that, we got a very big opening for very big large plants, and we also got recognized by Trade Promotional Council of India 2 times for having developed the indigenously developed UST sterilizers. So that has really boosted us and allowed us to come into a bigger foray for bigger plants.
Okay. So, sir, coming to the next indigenization of the industry. you are specially pitching for the Make in India,
Yes,
and you have just told that we all our equipments are fully
made within
made
our
in
factory. Yeah.
India. Yeah. So how are you going for Make in India plan, and is government supporting you in this initiative?
Yes, government is definitely supporting. We have over the period of last decade, we have spread across 4 factories now. We
Okay.
have good mega factories, all state-of-the-art factories, and all the machines what we do for the food industry is manufactured within our 4 factories. All are indigenously manufactured, indigenously designed, and now we are supplying to more than 50 countries across the globe.
Okay.
So government has really helped us and also promoting us to make more machines. Now also we are into cheese stretching machine. Even
Okay.
the cheese stretching machine we have developed within India and we are supplying it across the world.
Okay. So, sir, Indian market is huge market with 1.3 billion people, and the food processing industry is growing at a large pace right now.
Yes.
So, how is Goma catering the this large space?
As I just mentioned, over in last 8 to 10 years, from having one factory, we have gone to 4 factories. We have increased the strength, and we understand for the food industry, the service is the key. We have increased the service people, we have increased the production capacity, we have increased the manufacturing facility across the 4 factories, and that is how we are ready to cater to the growing market of the food industry within India. Not only that, across also the globe, we have offices in different countries, and we are catering to, as I told you, around 45 to 50 countries, wherein we supply, install, and commission the plants.
Okay. So, thank you very much, sir. Thank you for
Thank
this
you, thank
candid
you.
interview, sir.